All right, so let's get started. Okay, I know that you people are pretty much happy and you're not interested to learn today. But again, I'll be going to the hometown in the Diwali vacation, so we will not be able to connect. So I thought like we will connect for some time and okay, we'll cover up something. So maybe after the Diwali, like we can directly start with the Oracle DBA. So that's my plan. Okay. So we were talking about
Yeah. After Diwali, when we will start that push? Which one? On which day next week we'll start again?
Acha, your date now I'll mention you guys, okay? Because actually I'm traveling by 22. I want to take the class on Monday, Tuesday also. I'm ready to take, but the thing is we have a Diwali and even my rag batch also people were not there much because most of the people are traveling now. So I think I'll be back by mostly 26. So we can start from 27 then. Okay. So 27 maybe we can start with directly Oracle DBA, or maybe we will take some SQL classes and then we will jump to the Oracle DBA. Okay.
Ankush Sir, I have a small doubt. So I have taken the recording, like pre-recording videos of Oracle DBA, I think for the March batch. So I have already completed, I am watching the videos of patching and data guard. So after that, is it mandatory to do the back, or after getting a job and then I can enroll for the rack?
Rack you can join, no problem. If you have completed till data guard means you are good to go.
Okay.
You are good to start. Okay. We have a batch timing by 7 to 8. Okay. So 7 to 7 to, now like the best part is like you have not enrolled till now, right? Now we have a vacations here. So I think we completed around 3 lectures I have completed there in the rack. Okay. So you do one thing, you enroll for rack, you get the access for that 3 lectures, and before I come, before this like after this Diwali, you will be ready with the rack that 3 lectures also, and we will continue that. So you can check with your sales executive. Who is your executive? Is it Samay? Na? Yeah, talk to him. Okay, and because he is also going on vacation, so you then people will not be there.
Okay, no, so actually, while searching for jobs, so I think in some of the companies they're looking for
No, no, every company is looking for hack. I'm telling everyone, but people are thinking that we are behind the money. No, it's
exactly. Actually, if I search for 3+ years of experience, so rack is
rack is compulsory.
it is mandatory, and in some of the companies they're looking for golden gate.
See, like when I say a complete DBA now, okay, if someone is asking me that, okay, I want to be a complete Oracle DBA or complete database administrator. So basically, it is not just about the Oracle DBA. It is like the combination of multiple things. Like you should be aware about Oracle Core DBA. All these concepts are there, including you should be aware about the data guard. You should be aware about the Oracle rack. You should be aware about the technology like Golden Gate. If you go to the next, then you should be aware about the OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. You should be aware about the Exadata and this ExaCC. Then you should be aware about any cloud technologies like especially AWS, and you should be aware about the automations, CI/CD pipeline, so which will come under DevOps. And apart from this, nowadays people are not happy with the one database, so along with this you can take one more database, that is PostgreSQL. So this is like a complete DBA, and everything you can get it under Learnomet.
Okay, sir. So after the class, can we join for 5-10 minutes? So
Call me after the class. Okay, we'll discuss.
sure, sure. Okay, thank you.
Fine. So we were talking about and we are trying to understand about SQL. Now you people are freshers, okay? Those people who are freshers and don't take too much of load of DB and all. As of now, just focus on Oracle DBA, okay? Then I'll be there. Like I'm telling to the other people, okay? So don't worry about that. Like you might be thinking that so much things are there to learn. See, learning will be always there. Okay, when you are a DBA or when you are the part of any IT industry, learning is always there. Even like after 13 years of experience, also there is not a single day in my life where I have not learned something new. Uh, my confidence also goes down many times. You know, when I see something new. So Oracle is very vast, very vast actually. Okay, many new things are there. Every day new things are coming into the market. Like recently you might have heard about the news of Oracle 26 AI. So that is an extra burden for the people like us also. Okay, so people will expect that, okay, can you provide the trainings on 26 AI also. So yeah, when you are in IT, you need to keep learning. It's not about the database only. It is applicable to all the technologies which are coming under the IT umbrella. So it is there. Okay. So again, when you consider that this is like एक समंदर है, okay, और अगर एक बार को उसमें अंदर गए ना तो फिर आपको पता चलेगा किधर जाने का है, तो उसका टेंशन मत लो, हो जाएगा. एक बार जान दो. If you are spending 20,000 rupees na, you can expect additional 4 lakhs of package. So when you are spending some amount on the learning, it is an investment actually. Usually if you invest in mutual fund, you will get 12% of profit, right? That too, then government will take 30% of tax. If you invest in gold, maybe you will get, like from last 1 year the gold is very good, so maybe you can, but regularly if you say 10 to 20%, okay, regular. If you invest in maybe property, maybe you will get, 50%, 60%, depends on where you have a property. But if you invest in knowledge, okay, it is 1000% profit also you can get. So always spend money on knowledge wherever you are going, okay. So this is the best investment, okay. And if you are investing here na, automatically you will start investing here also. So that's how the structures of life will go, okay. Even today, I'm telling you my personal things. We have lots of trainers are there, like we have a trainer for AWS, DevOps and all. But when I want to learn personally, like let's say I want to learn about the cloud, I will not learn from my trainer because that seriousness will not come. See, I can join his class, my trainer class, I can get it completely free of cost, but no. I'll spend some money, I'll invest some money with some other trainer. I'll try to understand what he's teaching, the way he's teaching, and that knowledge we are utilizing it for you also, okay. So I do that personally, and I'm doing it from so many years, okay. I'm doing that repeatedly. So okay, so take advantages of it, okay. That's how we normally do, okay. Okay, okay, so let's see the next part. Hmm. Any question for me, everyone? All good? Hmm? So I'll open the command prompt. Okay. So sometimes, like, we need to use some clauses, like let's say SQL plus slash SSDB. Okay. If I say select star from EMP, we do not have EMP data. Stood. What is the other table that we created? Anything? Student also, na? We don't have any table. What to do? I'll create one table by using ChatGPT. So what you can do, you can go to the ChatGPT. I'll tell you the one trick. Create table EMP in Oracle. This is called prompting. Create table Oracle in EMP. Okay. Then say and insert 4, let's say 5 record with ID, name, salary and department also. Okay. And let's insert this. Okay. Let's insert this. So it will give me the statements like create table statements, everything it will give me. Okay. I'll use that. I got it. I'll copy that. I'll go here. I'll run it. Paste it. Done. I got the table. How simple it is, right? When you see the Facebook ads where the people are saying that we are going to discuss about the AI and all, a chat GPT, these are the things they are going to teach you. In maybe they will charge something 1000 rupees and all, right? This is what they are going to teach you. I'm giving you in this course only, which is not a part of syllabus also. So this is the way we can create a table and try to utilize the options like ChatGPT, Perplexity. These are Gemini, Google Gemini. So these are the good options, okay, for learning purpose. So nothing wrong using all those AI specific technologies. That is good for your career because that is the future actually. Okay. Now we created this table. Consider a situation that I want to make this table into the ascending order and descending order. Means I want to know the least salary. So the person who is having a least salary should be on first, then then second, then third, something like that. So you can say select star from EMP, order by salary. So if you see, you are getting the first record, it has 48,000, 51,000. So whenever you want to sort the table, that time we can use something called order by. If you want to make it descending order, you can mention DSC. You can see the top salary record is coming here. You can sort it based on the salary, you can sort it based on the name, it's up to you. That is called order by clause. Which clause? Order by. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now okay. Now we need to understand about some of the aggregate function. There are in SQL, you will see some aggregate functions are there. We use that very frequently. Like let's say you want to do the sum of salary. You want to do the average of salary. You want to do the count. You want to know the minimum salary. You want to know the maximum salary. All these are, we called it as a aggregate functions. What is function? Function is a set of code which has been written. Like the SQL people, they have already written the code of sum. By using this sum function, you will get the sum of salary. Like someone is asking me, can you please let me know the total salary of my employee, total salary? So you can say select sum of salary from which table? EMP table. So the sum of salary is 2,88,000. So by using this function, now here we have 5 records are there. Let's say I have lakhs of records are there. How you will get the sum of salary? So by using this sum function. If you want to know what is my minimum salary, so you can say minimum salary is 48,000. If you want to know what is your maximum salary, you can say max function. If you want to know the average salary, like average how much I am giving, so you can use average function. If you want to know the count of employee, like you can say count star from employee. So by using this function, like these are the aggregate functions are there. When you say star means it is checking all the records. Sometime what will happen, let's say there is no salary mentioned here, so you will see the number of records like 1 2 3 4 only, not 5, because 5th is missing, nothing is there. When you say star means it will check all the records. So this is the way you can get this is the way you can use the aggregate function. Sum of salary, mean of salary. Like some function we use it on salary only, we cannot use it on name. That doesn't give any sense, right? Minimum of salary only. Okay. So that's the way you can use the aggregate functions. The main problem with the aggregate function is it is always returning one column only at a time. See here. If I say I want to know the minimum salary and that person name also, if I say name, you will get the error message. You cannot get the name of person who is having minimum salary. It will only give one column output. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if you want to know the name of that person who is having a minimum salary, that for that you need to use something called subquery. Okay, something called subquery. That's a separate concept actually. Okay, you can use subquery. Now the next part will be like consider a situation. So we discuss about done, all these things are done, right? Now we need to understand about, see, when I see this table, from this table I can clearly tell you that what is my sum of salary, means what is the salary of all the department. Let's say I have 4 departments are there. But if I ask you, can you please let me know the sum of salary from each department? Each means, let's say I have 2 records of marketing. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll ask them, ChatGPT, can you add few more record of each department? Let me see whether it will take that prompt properly or not. Acha, it is inserting, but it is inserting too much record. I'll insert. So it is HR, finance, IT. I'll copy this. Okay, I'll copy all this. Let me copy, or I'll do one thing. I will drop this table first and then I will insert one more time. So I'll say drop table EMP and let me create the table one more time. Yeah, I'll copy that and let me run it. Okay, now I got some more record, 20 record I got it, right? So we have few records coming from finance, we have few records from HR. Now my question is, can you please let me know the sum of salary from finance only? So you will be saying like, okay, we can use where condition, right? Select sum of salary. You might be thinking like select sum of salary from which department? EMP, where department equals to, we can mention finance, right? There is no problem. And I'll get the sum of salary of finance only. But I'm saying that I need in the output finance also, HR also, IT also, marketing also, support also. So the output should be name and their sum of salary. What I need in the output should be name and their sum of salary. So I need the output like the name of department, or I'll say department name, department and their sum of salary. So what is the first department we have? My first department is, let's say, finance. Second is IT. third one is marketing, then support. Finance is, let's say the sum of salary is 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 30 lakh, 40 lakh. If I do sum, so if I do the sum of support, so it is around like 2 lakhs. So it should be mentioned here 2 lakhs. This is what I need. So whenever you are in a situations where you need the sum of salary from each department, that time you can use something called, what do you think we can use? क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? We can use group. We can use group by. A group by on what? Group by on department. When you are grouping the, like let's say I'm grouping this department, IT department. So what will happen to their salary? That will be sum, right? Sum of salary. Correct na? That is sum of salary when you do group by. So by using this group by function, what will happen? Group by function is mainly responsible to group the the record actually. When you say group by department, what will happen to their salary? It will be sum. So the query will be select what you need. I need in the output department and their sum of what? Salary. When you do sum of salary from which table? EMP table. Group by what? Group by department. Group by department. So if I write down this query here, it will looks like this. Select first of all what I need in the output? Department. What will happen to their salary? Sum of salary. From which table? EMP. Group by, what are you going to do? You are going to group by department. See here, if you see the output, you got the department and their sum of salary. Whenever you use aggregate function, whenever you are using the group by clause, whenever you are grouping, you need to use aggregate functions. So here I used aggregate function as sum. Here I use the aggregate function as sum. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Others? Okay. So that is the way you can use group by. That is the way you can use group by. Okay. Now here also you can use order by. Like if you say order by what? Now see here. This sum of salary is not meaningful name, right? Can I give some meaningful name? So you can say, you can give some ally also, alias. You can say as, I'll say total salary. So if you see the output, the sum of salary has been renamed with which salary? Total salary. So this is alias, like a nickname, just for the time being, just to show your client some meaningful information. We can use like this. Is it clear? And if you say order by total salary, order OR. Now you can do it in ascending order, descending order also. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone understood? Everyone? Fine. Okay. So that's how you can use group by. Okay. That's how you can use group by. I'll give one more example. Okay, let me show you. me show you. So let's say I have a table like this. I'll open the Excel. Let's say this is my input table, okay, and I'll give you this is my output table. Tell me how we can get this output. What do you think? By looking to this is my input table, okay, and I need the output like this.
Group by
region.
Okay, let's so tell me, I'll mention select what I need.
Region.
Select region. See, you need to see the output. Select region, comma. Now total sale. How you will get the total sale?
Sum total. Sum amount.
Okay, sum of amount. But there is no column called total sale. So what you need to do? As total sale, then comma. I need average sale also. Then what you need to do? AVG of what? AVG of amount only, na? Amount only as AVG sales, comma, then total order. Total order, how can I get? Count of what? Count of region. Total. Now there is one thing, like, okay. Total is okay, but total of what? Total.
Region. Total of region.
Total of sale ID or total, like total means the total number of records actually, basically it does, okay. So let's make it simple. Count star. I'll go here, count of star only, I'll mention, okay. It's total number of record actually, okay. As total order means how many records are there in that table, that's it, okay. Then next part, just see here on the top, okay, copy this, mention here, then okay, total orders, then total orders from which table? What is the table name? Region. Group by what? Group by what? Now your group by what? Region, right? REGION. That's it. Let me copy group. Can you see this? Can I just do shift enter? Shift enter will not work. How to go to the next line? नहीं चलेगा ऐसा. Alt enter ना, or control enter. Control enter will not work. Let me try alt enter. Alt enter will work. Okay, nice. Is it clear, everyone? See, select region, because region column is available, so I can directly mention. Then we need to see total sale. Total sale कैसे निकलेगा? I need the total sale. Total sale means a sum of. Total sale means sum of amount, right? Sum of amount. Average sale means average of sale, and total order means the number of record. How many records are there total? 10 records. So like as I said, count star, that's total record. That's it. It's done. Clear? Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Quite simple, right? So that's the way you can use group by function. We need to understand about one more concept. We called it as a join actually. Joins. What is the purpose of joins? What do you think? Why we use join? Just take an example like I have an employee table like ID, name, and then we have salary. Let's say the ID is 1 to 3, name is XYZ, his salary is 1000, 2000, 3000. Let's say I have one more column here with the name department. Okay. In the department, we have like department ID, okay, department name, department ID, department name, and then we have employee ID here. So let's say department ID is 100, 200, 300. Department name is CSE, IT, mechanical. We have an employee ID like 213. Now if I'm asking you, can you please let me know the department of X? I need like XYZ, which is like a name of employee, and I need their corresponding department. So what is the department of X? Can I get department information from employee table? Is it possible?
Yes.
From employee table, can I get department information? Do we have department information in employee table? No. But where it is available? In department. So when you say employee ID 1, so you will go here. What is the department of employee ID 1? You can see it is IT, right? So you will mention IT here. For Y? For Y? For Y the employee ID is 2. What is the employee ID 2 is? CSE. And then it is for 3 means mechanical, correct na? Right. So basically you need to join two table. Which table? Employee table you need to join with department table. But when you are joining it, on which factor you are joining it? Here employee ID is equals to department of employee ID. So basically emp.id is equals to department dot employee ID. So basically why we are joining? We are joining because we want to get the information from two different table or more than two different table. Whenever you are joining, there should be one column and that column should be common, not by with the name, but by using that common column you can join the two table. Now if I say, let's say I have employee ID is 4 and name is, let's say A, his salary is 4000. Let's say I want to know the A department. Can you get to know the department of A? No. So what it will be? It will be blank there. Is it clear, everyone? It will be blank. So there are different type of joins are available. Like we have something we called it as a inner join. Inner join means whenever you are joining two table, only the common record will come into the output. Only common record. I'll tell you one example. So I'll create two table, EMP and department, and I'll show you how that table looks. So let me create a table here. I'll drop table EMP. I'll drop table my department also. I'll create a separate new table. Okay. So I have created department and employee table. Done. Let me insert a data into the department and employee table. Done. If I show you select star from EMP, if I show you select star from department. Now tell me what is the department of John. अरे यार इधर तो कॉलम ही नहीं डाला इसने, क्या बोलना, कैसे करोगे? हाँ इधर से कर सकते हैं. John, हाँ. Tell me what is the department of John.
10. IT department.
Here it is 10 and here it is 10. So it is IT department. So what is the common column here in between EMP and department? Department ID. So my query will be select. What I need in the output? I need employee name. What is the second thing I need in the output? Department name. From my first table is EMP. It is getting joined with which table? Department table. On on, what is the factor to join? emp dot department id is equals to department dot department id. See here, I got John and his department name, Vikram and his department name. Quite simple na? What do you think, guys? Simple hai ki nahi? Clear na everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It's quite simple. Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
so basically only the common columns, common records are coming. When you are in a situations where you want to know, when you are in a situations where you want to know about, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? There is something we call it as a left join. Okay, left join. In left join, all the record from your left side will come and common record will come. I'll tell you one example. Let's say I have an employee, but he does not have department. But I need an employee name in the output. That time we can use left join example. I'll show you an example. I'll drop all this record first and I'll create one more table. Drop table emp. I'll drop department. Let me create the table first. Same table I'll create. Let me insert data. अरे क्या हुआ? Fifth is done. No department. ठीक है. Select star from MP. Select star from department. 10 है, 20 है, 30 है, 40 है. अच्छा, can you tell me what is the department of John? IT. What is the department of Neha? 20 means HR. What is the department of Vikram? IT. What is the department of Amit?
Finance. No. Finance.
Finance. What is the department of Sarah?
Empty. No. Empty. No.
It's blank here, right? So Sarah does not have any department. Now it is up to you. If client is saying that even though employee does not have department, but I need he in the output. So basically, if I use the inner join, which is my common record, does Sarah will come? Sarah will not come in the output, right? Because it is not a matching record. It's not a matching record, na? There is no matching for here, right? But I need her in the output. So I'll use the same command. I'll say select star from EMP. Same command I'll mention. If I use inner join, means if I don't mention any join, it will be by default inner join. Did I mention any join here? Only join I mentioned. That is inner join. So I cannot see Sarah record here because Sarah is not matching to the department table. There is no, but I need Sarah in the output. So instead of join, I will mention which join? Left join. See, I'll get Sarah, but there will not be any department. That is called left join. You got my point? You got my point?
Yes.
And instead of left, if I say mention right join, so what will happen? Does Sarah will come or not? If I say right join, means all the record from right side. Now I'm considering EMP as my left, department as right. Means in the right join, right side record will come plus. So the query will be different. Right side means all the right side record plus common record. Now here this is my EMP and this is my department. This is my EMP, this is my department. So all the record from department will come and then common record will come. Now till see here, All the record from department means 10 will come, 20, 30, 40, all will come. Plus matching record, plus matching. So which is not matching? Tell me. Which is not matching? 10 is matching, 20 is matching, 30 is matching, 40 is matching or not? 40 is not matching. But does 40 will come or not? What do you think?
No.
In the right join?
Yes, 40 will come.
40 will come. Why? Because all the record from right side it will come. You got my point now? If you say right join, 40 means which? Marketing na? See, marketing record is there. But does it have any employee in the marketing? Does it have any employee in the marketing? No. So this record we called it as a null record. It does not have any value. That is called null record. Can I remove this null record if I say where emp underscore name is not null? See here, I can use filter condition and I can remove that. Marketing also is not null by using where condition. Is it clear? If you want to remove the null record means where the value is not there, you can use the condition like is not null. The record which contain null, I don't want that. You can mention is not null. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Got it, sir.
Got it? Okay. Similar way, there is one more join is there. Full outer join. Full outer join means in full outer join, all your left side record, all your right side record plus common record, everything will come. Everything. So instead of right, you need to mention full. Done. So see here, everything is coming. Sarah is coming, everything is coming. All the record will come, whether it has department name, whether it has employee name. It doesn't filter anything. Everything it will come. That is called full outer join. Okay. So basically, what is the funda of join? It's quite simple. The main purpose of join is to join more than one record to get the information from multiple record. It is not like you can join only 2 tables. You can join 3 tables, 4 tables, number of tables also. Okay. You can join multiple tables also. No problem in that. Okay. Okay. There is one more is there. Like I'm going fast. Okay. I'm.
We do have one more clause, having clause, right?
Having is mainly useful when you are not able to use where clause. Just take an example.
Like it can be used with group by.
Group by. Like before group by, like when you use group by na, you cannot use where clause. When you use group by, let's say I have used group by clause earlier, right? Let me show you my example. I think somewhere that group by should be there. किधर है वो group by. See, I'm going little faster. I know that. Okay. My main why we have given you the recording of SQL and Linux, because my intention was so that you people will be ready and this will just a recap or brush up your things about the SQL and Linux. You got my point now, guys? You agree with me what I was trying to make you understand initially?
Yes, sir.
That was my agenda.
Yes, sir.
That is the reason initially itself, before we start the class, we have given you the recording of SQL and Linux, so that when you go through the recording, because the recording has lot of time, like you need to spend a lot of time to see the recording. So when you come into the class, you people will just see, enjoy, try to understand, or if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, that is the main agenda. Here, like you people are doing with me also sometime, right?
Right.
So in Oracle DBA, you will not get that much of time because the syllabus is very vast.
Definitely, sir.
Okay.
Got it.
Oracle does not have too much of time. So there, you just need to listen me for 1 hour. The class which I'm going to take it for 1 hour, you need at least 5 hours to watch it, do the practice, or more than 5 hours also. So it will be
Yes,
challenging.
exactly. Actually, जब मैं देख रहा था सर आपका जो ये वाला जो बैच था, it's crazy. Like first of all, no, one time shot में तो वो it's very tough to understand. So multiple times I have to like watch it, and then no, that Oracle architecture I have taken 4-5 hours to like understand.
Correct.
But once you get it, it's very easy. Like तब एक flow आ जाता है.
You enjoyed that overall DBA lectures? What do you feel?
Yes, 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 yes. That offline batch में the way you are teaching is like awesome. Great.
उसमें
उसकी वजह वहाँ पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा चलता है ना क्योंकि वो offline है.
ऑफलाइन होता है, सामने लोग होते हैं, एंड देन इंग्लिश का भी बड़ा बैरियर है इधर.
Yes,
When it comes to the technical, I can speak in English.
yes, yes.
Offline से मजा ही अलग है. Right.
But yes, like if I like wanted to like do like rack and all, then I'm trying that I should apply like for offline batch only. Interaction थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है वहाँ पे.
इंटरेक्शन काफ़ी ज़्यादा होता है उधर. उधर बहुत बातें होती है, थोड़ा पर्सनल भी चला जाता है, थोड़ा ये वो.
वहाँ पे मतलब आप जो मतलब the way मतलब बीच में मतलब you were just confusing us also. अरे ये वाला होना चाहिए, ये वाला होना चाहिए, तो then oh अभी तो तुमने बोला था ये होना चाहिए. तो वहाँ पे तो चलता रहता है. So yeah.
That happened. So basically, like usually we take two type of classes. We have a people coming from, especially like I have the students coming from US also, Dubai side, Saudi side, and from other different regions also, including Sri Lanka, Pakistan. Then we have all the countries actually, mostly almost all the countries where DBAs are working. So when I'm taking the Hindi class, these English students, they will, or mostly from South India side, right? So these people, they will be waiting for long wait time. So what we do, like we take one Hindi and one English, like that.
Got it.
But here I'll give complete knowledge, like 8 to 9 means knowledge means only knowledge. So when you go through the recordings, that time you will see only knowledge only. So usually that is the reason for Hindi people, I would say, means, I'm giving them the access of both the recordings. Like in the live class, we do have fun, and like we discuss about all, like everything we discuss, okay, including my life, their life, everyone. So when they want to do the recap and all, like I ask them to, okay, if you want to recap without having any disturbance, you can recap through English class also. But again, like everyone have their own choices. So like we don't make it complicated. Like everyone access, no problem in that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's it.
ठीक है.
Sir, sir, can you take the DBA class along with the generative AI or something, sir?
Actually, see, generative AI is something which is not useful for us. For us, if you want to understand, then we can take it on cloud actually. Cloud means how to install the Oracle database in AWS cloud. So there is a service called AWS RDS. So these are all things like we can include. We can also include like how to do the migrations, like from on premises to the cloud side, how to do the migrations. These are all things that we can include. But the thing is like for that I'm planning, I'm let me announce one thing which is coming in future. The next thing which I'm planning to start a new batch of cloud migrations along with the fundamentals of cloud, how these databases behave, in cloud actually. So that is something which is very very interesting, and that I'm going to announce after the Diwali. Okay. In this class, it's very difficult because the Oracle Core DBA concept itself is very huge. And here I'm not just taking Core DBA. Here I'm taking the data guard, ASM, patching, and so many things are there, including OEM also. So this itself will go for 3 months. Okay, that is the reason.
Exactly, yeah. 3 months. Upgradation is also there.
Many things are there.
Performance tuning.
Performance tunings are there. So this itself will go for 3 months. That is the reason we don't take a rack also in this Oracle DBA. Rack is a separate 2 months of course.
Yeah.
And here I am the only one person, so I need to manage this Oracle DBA class also, Postgres also, this rack also, data engineer also, SQL Linux also. Then I have team of 50 people, these people also. I have wife also, single wife. I don't know what is.
It's very tough.
It's
One
very,
more relevant question, sir.
yes.
सर जैसे कि हम यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं सर, उसके एंड पे आप खड़े हो सर,
किधर खड़ा हूँ मैं?
आप एंड पे खड़े हो सर. लेट मी कंप्लीट माय क्वेश्चन सर.
अच्छा.
मतलब सर जैसे कि आप
I'm,
ऐसा सर कोडिंग मतलब ये डेटाबेस में हो सर, डीबीए में आपने पहले काफी पहले एमएनसी में भी काम करके छोड़ चुके हो हायर सैलरी पे सर. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था सर कि हम तो अभी स्टार्ट करें, मतलब पहला स्टेशन है सर. तो अभी ने क्या मतलब हमने डीबीए एनरोल भी कर लिया और 3 मंथ्स भी हो गए या 6 मंथ्स हो गए. इट्स 100% आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, मतलब स्टूडेंट की होती है या वो कितना सीखता है, राइट सर. सर कहने का मतलब ये था सर कि आपने ना वो ये सारा कुछ देख के सर, मतलब एमएनसी में काम करके भी छोड़ दिया क्योंकि ये लर्नोमेंट आपको स्टार्ट करना था या आपको खुद का स्टार्ट करना था, या 9 to 5 जॉब आपको करना ही हो किया नहीं होगा सर आपने, तो मतलब करना नहीं चाहते थे खुद का स्टार्टअप, तभी तो अपन लोग जुड़े हैं सर अभी. अगर ये स्टार्ट ही नहीं होता तो शायद हम मिलते भी नहीं. तो सर मेरा कहने का ये मतलब था सर कि हम तो अभी स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, मतलब यहाँ पे नॉन आईटी गाइस, आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी ऑफ अस इंक्लूडिंग मी सर, मैंने अभी वो सी सी प्लस से स्टार्ट किया है, मतलब मैं तो भूमि नॉन आईटी गाय हूँ. तो सर कहने का मतलब ये था सर कि ऐसा ना हो सर मैं 6 महीने के बाद है ना वो ट्रेन से उतरूँ, मतलब वापस ही ना आ पाऊँ. मतलब सर ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा कि मुझे जॉब चाहिए या वो तो मेरे कैलिबर पे डिपेंड रहेगा. तो मतलब सर क्वेश्चन कोर पे ये आ रहा हूँ सर कि 6 महीने बाद कोई और टेक्नोलॉजी आ जाती है सर, और मतलब फिर ये डीबीए भी बाजू में हट जाता है, फिर डेटा साइंस ही कर लेते या डेटा इंजीनियरिंग कर लेते या कोई भी डेटा ये कर लेते, तो मैं एटलीस्ट एनरोल तो हो जाता है. ऐसा कुछ मन में आ जाता है सर. तो आप प्लीज थोड़ा सा 5 मिनट इस पर बात करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा होगा.
See, actually, I'll tell you, when you want to start the career into the IT industry now, there are two factors are there. One is your development phase and another is your administration phase. Now, development phase is also really good. Like, if I'll tell you my personal thing. If you see my desk, I'll show you here. Okay. If you see my desk, here you can see the laptop right here. So this laptop is of my wife. Okay. So that's a company laptop actually. She is a Java developer. Now we both are two different person. She like to do the Java coding. She is having around I think 8-9 years of experience now. But I am a person who is not that good in programming kind of skill set. Okay. So programming is a kind of skill set which you will not understand within a 1 day or 2 day or within a year also. So training is a different thing and getting that skill set is a different thing. Okay. So maybe you will understand the concept, but when it comes to the practical scenario, when it comes to the logic, those things will not be developed immediately. It will take a long time actually. So especially those people who are coming from non-technical background, those who have a gap in their career, this type of people I would always refer for Oracle DBA or any database administration course. Now many people are asking me that what about the different technologies which are coming. See, every day or every year the new technologies are coming, but your fundamentals are not getting changed. Now Oracle is a 1980s technology. It's very old technology actually. But what is the base? The base is database. Earlier you were not having so many databases. Earlier, like let's take example, Oracle was there. Even PostgreSQL was also there. But database is a technology which will be always there lifelong, I'm telling you. Lifelong it will be there. Because every company they need a security, they need one database where they will store a data. So database fundamentals are designed in a such way that okay, yeah, there is a chances that some people will go with PostgreSQL also, some people will go with different database also, but database will be always there. If you know how to handle Oracle database, you can handle any database in the future. Like you take an example of PostgreSQL or SQL Server or MySQL, all the databases have same to same architecture, only the naming conventions are getting changed. So if you are having a doubt like should I go to the data science or data engineer or data analyst kind of things or any other programming kind of skills, if you have an interest and you think that you can do the programming, then and only then go. In our class many developers are also coming, some people are working as a Java developer, they are not able to handle the situations, they are getting released from the project and now they are doing DBA. In my class I have seen the people who is having 20-25 years of experience also, they are fed up with the programming now. They are saying that every day I cannot go through the logic, like they're saying like okay, I need some relaxed night now. So these people are also coming to the DBA. Coming to the package, I'm telling you, you can get more than developer also, and even my package was more than developer with my experience, I'm saying. So the package is completely depending on you, in which company you are working, what is your current package, what is your expected package, and lot of other things are also there. So if you are good with the latest thing, like I'm telling you, you stick to the database, but you guys need to upgrade yourself with the latest skills in database also. Like 2 days back they have recently launched 26 AI. So along with this Oracle DBA, you should be aware about the latest update also. And I think in your class only I said, right, when you want to become a complete Oracle DBA, it is not just about the Oracle DBA only. You should be aware about Oracle DBA, RAG DBA, Golden Gate, Exadata, ExaCC, DevOps, AWS, OCI, all these things also. But do you need to understand everything within a like initial phase only? No. For 2 plus you can understand about the RAG. If you go 3 plus you can understand RAG with Golden Gate. 4-5 you can understand about your Exadata, ExaCC, all these things along with any cloud. So it is a part of learning only. Okay. Now when you are spending a money on DBA na, stick to that, and technology will not go anywhere. दुनिया का मैं बताऊँ का क्या है, whenever you are going to start anything new na, the people will come to you and they are going to say that database is gone. The database is gone, then where they are going to store a data? Tell me the solution. Where you are going to store a data? When I started my career as a Hadoop engineer, like after working as a Oracle DBA, then I started my career into the Hadoop. Okay, there was a technology called Hadoop. Nowadays we called it as a data engineer. That is the reason I provided training on data engineer also. That time the people were saying that data engineer is gone or Hadoop is gone. I'm telling you, today also the vacancies are coming. Why our batches are full? Because there are vacancies are available in the market. Okay, you go to the any company, join any company as a Oracle DBA, stay there for 1 year or 2 years, Once you think that okay, you understand about the Oracle DBA now, switch to the next company with the 100% hike, 200% hike. Don't stay into the single company for more than 2 years. I did the same thing in my life, and I didn't stay at any company more than 2 years. Only first company, second company actually. So don't wait for promotion, don't wait for on-site, nothing. You yourself will get everything in your life. Only the thing is you should have a knowledge. Okay. Here in IT industry, it is a game of two things. One is you should have a good technical skill set, and second important thing is you should have good communication. एंड ऊपर से अगर तुम्हारा चेहरा अच्छा है तो और भी अच्छा है. अब कुछ कुछ चीज़ें हम लोग चेंज नहीं कर सकते, बट एटलीस्ट टू थिंग्स देयर which are in our hand, right? So why I'm talking about the communication, because when you need to deal with the client now, the communication play an important role, but the communication is also have some limitations. The communication will work only when you have something to tell na, and for that you should have a technical knowledge. So having a knowledge of these two things, you can become a good DBA. And if you want to become a good DBA, you should be upgraded yourself to the latest skill set. So keep learning in future also. Keep learning. Continuously you need to learn. Okay.
सर आपने क्या मतलब जैसे 15 साल जो भी आपका एक्सपीरियंस था सर, वो आपने हायर स्टेज पे छोड़ दिया सर, तो फ्रैंकली पूछना चाहूँगा सर, अभी भी क्या आपको लगता है मतलब कि अगर मैं वही रहता, अगर आप वही रहते तो बहुत प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर या ये भी रहता है ना सर, बहुत सारा.
अरे प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर जो महीने में कमाता है ना, वो मैं एक दिन में कमाता हूँ. सॉरी मैं थोड़ा सा ये हो गया. मतलब डोंट टेक मी इन द रॉन्ग. ओके सी, इसलिए मैं हिंदी में नहीं बोलता, वो भी रिकॉर्डिंग है, दिमाग खराब.
तो अगर हिंदी में बोलते तो और अच्छा लगता है.
तो वो प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर हम लोग जेब में लेके घूमते हैं, उसका टेंशन मत लो. सो
आपको मैडम अच्छी मिल गई सर, मतलब आपकी वाइफ,
अच्छा वो क्या है?
आप ये लैपटॉप में चालू कर सकते, तो अदरवाइज वहीं पे रहते हैं.
ठीक है, वो नहीं तो और कई. अरे किस्मत में क्या लिखा अपने को थोड़ी पता है. हो सकता था कि मैं इन्फोसिस का CEO बन जाता था, तो हो सकता था ना, अगर इन्फोसिस का जो अपना नारायण मूर्ति, उसने बोला रहता कि भाई मेरी बेटी से शादी कर ले, बोल सकते क्या कुछ?
सोचना तो बड़ा है. ये तो लव मैरिज है ना सर, मतलब जहाँ तक मुझे याद है.
तो लव ज़्यादा रिसर्च करके आया वो.
सर वो मैं एक बार आपके ऑफिस आया था, तो मुझे पता चला.
अच्छा, मेरे ऑफिस वाले भी बता देंगे.
नहीं सर, एक वन ऑफ
अच्छा नहीं, बिजनेस इज गुड. ओके, business has their advantages also, disadvantages also. When you are working as an employee, you will be working for 9 hours only. See, now my situation is like, normally I'll be going to office by 12 o'clock. Okay, so whole day, like, I'll be with my employee. Mostly my employee will leave by 7 o'clock. Now I have a batches by 7 to 8, 8 to 9. 9 by 9 o'clock, maybe I'll go for dinner, right? So I'll go like 9 to 10 will be the dinner time. After that I'll go for walk with my friends little bit. So 10 to 11 I'll be there. 11 o'clock, once I'll be back, I'll play with my kid, and then I'll start reading again. So life is not easy. Okay, when you are in business, you need to be available 24/7. But yeah, the best part is you can take your own decisions. Like now I want to go for Diwali, so I can go for Diwali. There is no problem. I don't need to take the permissions of any person. But yeah, there are responsibilities are there. What are the responsibilities? Like you people are my responsibility now. So I can tell you that I'm going now. When I'm not there, automatically the business will be impact. I'm a part-time salesperson also. Like when you people are joining, many people are there. They want to talk to me and then they want to take the admissions, right? So this sales team continuously they will send my number. Sir, he want to talk to you. Can you talk to him for 2 minutes? So वो 2 मिनट में कभी खत्म होता है क्या? वो चलता है लंबा. तो वो that is the reason I'm telling you I'm part-time salesperson also. So I'm not just क्या बोलते हैं CEO. I'm an employee also. I'm salesperson also. I'm husband also. Sometime बच्चे के साथ खेलते खेलते हमको बच्चा भी बनना पड़ता है. तो ये सब कुछ चलता है. अच्छा है.
Take your wrong, sir.
क्या बोले?
ना टाइम सॉरी बोल रहा हूँ, बहुत सारा टाइम ले लिया आपका.
नहीं नहीं ठीक है. वैसे भी आज हम लोग ख़त्म ही करने वाले थे इसको. तो
हाँ सर, शायद आप लोग दिवाली के बाद ही मिलेंगे या
वही प्लान था.
पहले पकड़ लिया सर.
तो बिजनेस अच्छा है. मैं सी आई एम ऑलवेज रिकमेंडिंग माई एम्प्लॉय दैट वॉट एवर इज योर स्किल सेट utilize that and try to see how can you earn the money with that skill set. Like if you think that you are good with technical skills, utilize that in your office and get a good package. There are many people, like just take example of my wife only. Okay, she is a very good programmer, she is very good employee, very loyal actually. But if I'm asking her, okay, can you take my Java classes, because I'm spending like lakhs of rupees on my Java trainer, she is saying that no, I'm not interested. So she is not interested in training actually. She is having a very very good knowledge actually. But in my surrounding there are many good DBAs are there, better than me. I'm not the best one, I'm telling you upfrontly. Okay, there is no ashamed of it. Many good trainers are, many good DBAs are there, technically sound, very very sound. But when it comes to the explanation, or when it comes to like when you are in training, you should have a very patience actually. Every time you will not get good student. Sometimes you will get very अलग ही लेवल के मिलते हैं, कुछ एड़े लोग मिलते हैं अपने को. So you need to deal those people also. So that's the reason I'm saying, like some people are very good in, like just take example of singing. Some people are good in dancing. So if you are good in dancing, you create your own setup, YouTube channel, start showing to the people, or you create your own setup and ask people to join you. Make it free of cost, then take some charges. So you can just utilize your skill set and build your but again, don't go initially itself. Now when you see that we build this Learnomate and we have a good setup, we have 3 branches and everything, and we have a good brand in database and other technologies also. But this is not something happened within a single day. It has, वो बोलते ना तपस्या, सालों की तपस्या है इसमें, तब जाके वो बना है. तो things are not easy. Okay, again we do not have any co-founder, nothing, single person. So चल रहा है, चलेगा. But identify your skills. Okay, when I say identify your skills, it doesn't mean that I'm asking you to become a DBA trainer. You cannot compete me, I'm the best. So जो भी है आपका ओके, तो एटलीस्ट और 5 साल तो मैं हुई. तो 5 साल के बाद में मैं रिटायरमेंट ले लूँगा, फिर आपको जो करना है वो करो. वो पूरी डेटाबेस की अम्मा कर दो, मेरे को कोई टेंशन नहीं है. ठीक है,
बढ़िया था
नहीं ऐसा ही होता है, ऐसे ही है, कोई नहीं. तो वही है. ओके, So don't think about the packages and all. Initially, if you are getting opportunity with free of cost also, and if he is allowing you to touch to the database, go for it. Go for it. Nothing, no problem in that. Okay. And after 1 year, you can expect whatever you need. Okay. No problem. है ना, सही कि नहीं? ठीक है, चलो फिर मिलते, वी विल सी यू आफ्टर द दिवाली. हैप्पी दिवाली टू एवरीवन. And we will be available. Support team is also available. I am also available. Okay, so if you guys have any doubts, reach out to the Learnomet team. Okay, so we are always there for you. Okay, so don't think that we are not there. Okay,
Sir, Monday do we have bus?
Monday abhi I think some people are with the Diwali. Okay, because I think Monday means it is how much, 19th. 20th means the people will go for Diwali. It's a Diwali time. The 20, 21, 22 people will celebrate Diwali.
We will start on 27th then.
Once I'll be back, I'll start. Okay, when I'm coming back, I don't know. That decision will be taken care by some other person.
So we can utilize 1 hour in studies also next week.
हाँ.
So 8 to 9.
आप लोग पढ़ाई करो. आप क्या, जब मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, मैं अभी एक रिसेंटली वीडियो भी बनाया. ओके, आई स्पीक लिटिल बिट हिंदी. ओके, लिटिल बिट, प्लीज माइंड मी. क्या है ना, मैं वही बोला इन लोगों को, बाकी हमारे ऑफलाइन में भी जो लोग हैं, जब हम लोग ये बोलते हैं ना कि हैप्पी दिवाली, तो मैं बोलता हूँ तुम लोग हैप्पी दिवाली बोल ही नहीं सकते, क्योंकि हैप्पी दिवाली उसकी होती है जिसके पास में जॉब है ना. अब सही बात है बाबा, आप लोग अभी घर पे जाओगे, घर पे जब जाओगे, घर वालों से जब मिलोगे, तो आपके घर वालों की एक्सपेक्टेशन होगी कि भाई ये बंदा जब आया है तो आते टाइम पे जॉब लेकर आया होगा. तो अगर आपके पास में जॉब नहीं है तो हैप्पी नहीं है ना. घर वाले भी सोच रहे होंगे कि भाई ये भी जॉबलेस ही आया, उनको भी 4-5 लोग आजू बाजू वाले बोलेंगे. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम, नेक्स्ट ईयर में 2026 में आप लोग जब जाओगे, ऑल दिस DBA आई एम सेइंग यू, so whenever you are going next time in 2026, you people should have a good job in your hand. Maybe it is 10,000, 5,000, जो भी है. जब भी आपको पहला सैलरी मिलेगा, अपने घर वाले के लिए साड़ी लेने का, पैजामा लेने का, तो वो थोड़ा करो. उनको अंदर से बहुत खतरनाक फीलिंग आती है बाबा, है ना. तो पहला सैलरी उनके लिए करो आप लोग, तब जाके उनको बोलो कि हैप्पी दिवाली, है कि नहीं. ये विदाउट जॉब जाके उनके पैसों से अपन कपड़े खरीद रहे, चड्डी खरीद रहे, कोई मजा है क्या उसमें? बात सही है कि नहीं, है कि नहीं. तो क्या है वो, उसमें हैप्पी दिवाली में मैं तो व्हाट्सअप भी अनइंस्टॉल कर देता था अगर जॉबलेस का कोई हैप्पी दिवाली आया तो कोई नहीं, मतलब अब कोई ये मत करना, डोंट माइंड इट, बट मैं वही बोलता हूँ, यही सुकून है ज़िंदगी में, है ना. तो जो पहला सैलरी आता है ना, अब मेरे जीवन में एक बार दिवाली ऐसी भी आई थी कि जहाँ पे मेरे को कॉग्निजेंट में मैं जब था, तो दिवाली के दिन मेरा शिफ्ट था, तो बाहर से मेरे को फटाके की आवाज़ आ रही थी और मैं अंदर में ऑफिस में काम कर रहा था. अभी फ्रेशर था तो मेरे को रुकना पड़ा. मैं फिर भी बताऊँ कि मेरे घर वाले बहुत खुश थे उस टाइम पे. ये लोग बोलते ना कि पैसा कुछ नहीं होता, माँ की आँख उनकी. मैं बोल रहा हूँ पैसा ही सब कुछ है, पैसा ही सब कुछ है, पैसा ही सब कुछ है. ओके, तो वो बोलते ना कि तुम पैसा कमा रहे लेकिन जीवन में कुछ आनंद नहीं है, तुम्हारे आनंद हम खरीद लेंगे. है ना, मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. आप लोग आनंद का टेंशन मत लो, आनंद को भी खरीद लेंगे, उसके घर वालों को भी खरीद लेंगे. तो अपने को क्या चाहिए? पैसा चाहिए पहले, है ना. तो ठीक है, फ्रेशर के टाइम पे लोग आपसे काम करवाएंगे, करवा लो, जितना निचोड़ना है बोलना निचाड़ लो, क्योंकि 2 साल के बाद में वो बच्चे का मैं वीडियो देखते रहता, वो है ना नेटवर्किंग वाले रहते ना, छप्पर फाड़ के आऊँगा मैं, ऐसे ही बोलने का आप लोग को. वो चेन नेटवर्किंग वाले थे ना। हाँ, तो वही करना है अपने को। ओके, तो
सही बात है।
है ना। तो कोई नहीं, वो आप वो प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर को अपन जेब में लेके घूमते हैं। ओके,
टॉपिक वहीं से स्टार्ट हुआ है पूरा। ऐसे सकता है।
तो
वही आगे रुके।
अरे पागल थोड़ी हो मैं, इतने लाखों रुपए का पैकेज छोड़ के इधर आया, मतलब कुछ तो सोचा होगा मैंने।
सही बात है,
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल।
सही बात है।
तो वही है, एकदम
मुझे
सिम।
ऐसा लगा था सर कि 9 to 5 से आप परेशान हो गए होगी
कौन सा?
और आपने
मैं बताऊँ क्या, एक बार अगर आपको एक्सपीरियंस आ गया, और उसके बाद में अगर आप एक बार एक्सपीरियंस आ गया, फिर आप अपने हिसाब से शिफ्ट मांग सकते हो, अगर शिफ्ट होगी तो। बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट में शिफ्ट होती ही नहीं है, मैं शिफ्ट में जाता ही नहीं था, बाद में बंद कर दिया था मैंने शिफ्ट में जा। पहले पहले किया मैंने, बाद में बोला उसको मैंने कि भाई अपन शिफ्ट नहीं करेंगे, मैं आता हूँ लेकिन आई विल नॉट डू शिफ्ट। आपको लेना है तो लो, क्या एक बार आपके पास में वो चाहिए ना, वो जुनून है ना। तो
इनिशियली तो सर मतलब
इनिशियली करना पड़ता है, इनिशियली सबको ही करना पड़ता है। ओके, बाद में नहीं, वो सुनने का, उसको उसको बोलने का मेरे को ये शिफ्ट चाहिए, ये शिफ्ट में आऊँगा मैं। और सारे प्रोजेक्ट में नहीं होता है, मतलब अगर आप यूएस प्रोजेक्ट लोगे, उसमें भी यूएस से बंदे रहते हैं, हम लोग इधर से काम करते हैं, उसमें नहीं होता है। यूके प्रोजेक्ट में आपका 2 से 11 का फिक्स शिफ्ट होता है। ओके, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भी करोगे तो आपका इंडियन टाइमिंग होता है 12 से 9 के आसपास में। सिटी प्रोजेक्ट में भी ऐसे ही होता है, तो वो डिपेंड करता है प्रोजेक्ट टू प्रोजेक्ट। ओके, तो पहले पहले जो मिलता है वो करो, फिर उसके बाद में किसी की सुनने का नहीं। बस जो प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर को, उसको वो अपना डायलॉग मार देने का, ठीक है। ये कुछ नहीं होते, वो डीबीए को बहुत इज्जत मिलती है मार्केट में, सीरियसली बताता मैं। आप अगर अच्छा काम करोगे तो उसका बहुत इज्जत है उसका। ठीक है।
सर एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है
हम्म।
तो सर नहीं नहीं छोटा सा ही तो सर मैं एक एमएनसी में हूँ और मेरे को 3 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है टेस्टिंग में बट अभी रिसेंटली टेस्टिंग का प्रोजेक्ट खत्म हो गया था और ये डेटाबेस माइग्रेशन का एक प्रोजेक्ट है मेरे पास तो उन्होंने बोला कि मतलब लेना चाहो तो ले सकते हो
डेटाबेस माइग्रेशन का ले लो ना फिर, अच्छा है, अच्छा है।
तो मतलब मैंने ले लिया वो प्रोजेक्ट इसलिए तो मैं इस क्लास में हूँ
अच्छा,
तो मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि ये इस प्रोजेक्ट के साथ मैं कंटिन्यू करूँ या फिर अपना टेस्टिंग हो क्योंकि पता नहीं क्यों इसमें ऐसे मजा सा आ रहा है थोड़ा मतलब माइग्रेशन है तो
नहीं नहीं करो, माइग्रेशन अच्छा होता है, क्योंकि माइग्रेशन में बहुत पैकेज मिलता है। माइग्रेशन में ये जो गोल्डन गेट में बोलता है ना, ये माइग्रेशन करता है, उसकी का काम है वो। जो मैंने गोल्डन गेट बोला, आगे जाके हम लोग एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट आर्म एंड बैकअप, ये जो कंसेप्ट पढ़ने वाले डीबीए में, वो सारा माइग्रेशन वाला ही धंधा है।
हाँ उसमें सर क्लास 1 क्लास 2 क्लास 3 माइग्रेशन है बैकअप्स हैं ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन बैकअप्स
अच्छा,
ये सारे और रैक के सर्वर्स भी हैं जो माइग्रेट करते हैं तो मतलब अभी तो मेरे को ज़्यादा कुछ समझ में आता नहीं है
हाँ।
वो सारे स्टेप्स दिए हैं और एक गाइड है हमारे पास मतलब बडीज तो वो गाइड करता है उसके हिसाब से हम लोग करते हैं धीरे धीरे
नहीं अच्छा है, माइग्रेशन का अगर एक्सपीरियंस आपको एक बार मिल गया ना, तो मज़ा आ जाएगा। ओके, फिर आप माइग्रेशन के प्रोजेक्ट में रहोगे तो बढ़िया है।
कंटिन्यू कंटिन्यू करना
हाँ कंटिन्यू, अरे वो टेस्टिंग को कोई अभी आजकल कोई गिनता नहीं है, जब से वो ऑटोमेशन आया है पहली।
ऑटोमेशन टेस्टिंग वही था सर
हाँ क्या?
ऑटोमेशन टेस्टिंग वही था मैं
हाँ मतलब अभी क्या है ना, टेस्टिंग का काफ़ी रोल ख़त्म हो चुका है, क्योंकि
हाँ
अभी जो एजेंटिंग एआई जो आ रहा है ना, उसमें ख़त्म हो जाएगा आप लोग का वो टेस्टिंग का काम। तो वो
मतलब कंटिन्यू करना
हाँ, अभी डीबीए करो आप, बढ़िया। ओके, पैसा कमाओ ताकत से, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। अभी ये प्रोजेक्ट ख़त्म करके थोड़ा सा एक्सपीरियंस लेके मार देना स्विच।
सर ये सेशन रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है क्या
कौन सा? हाँ हो रहा है, कौन किसी को पहचानता है। अरे दुनिया बहुत बड़ी है, कौन किसी को, अब मैं इतना अब प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर ने सुन लिया होगा तो क्या सोचेगा वो। तो वो उसके ऐसा कोई टेंशन मत लो।
अंकुश भाई एक बात बोलना था आपका हिंदी में अंदर से आवाज आ रहा था ना कभी लगा कि नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी का स्लैंग आ रहा है सच में आई एम नॉट हियर टू टेल और समथिंग लाइक दैट इट्स ऑनेस्ट जो अंदर से बात आता है ना
अरे ना,
हिंदी एग्जैक्टली सर, जब आप हिंदी में बोलते हो ना तब कनेक्शन फील होता है कि हाँ अभी आ गया कुछ।
अरे मैं बोलता हूँ मैं ज़िंदगी भर कनेक्शन रखने के लिए रेडी हूँ, लेकिन वो साला ना, वो यूएस वाले बहुत पैसा फेंकते हैं। ये इंडिया में क्या है, इंडिया में बोलो ना कि भाई मैं अभी 1 रुपए में मैंने डीबीए चालू किया है वो बोलते 1 रुपए भी बहुत महंगा है तो वो इंडिया में बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है। ओके, वो अभी साला हम लोगों ने वो थोड़ा, आप लोगों ने सुना होगा ना, है ना, 1 रुपए में डीबी हमने चालू किया, उसमें भी लोगों के ईमेल आ रहे हैं, आई हैव डन द पेमेंट ऑफ 1 रुपीज़। अब बताओ 1 रुपए में ईमेल लिखने को पुरता क्या है? तो वो
मैंने भी रजिस्टर किया है सर ऐसे नहीं।
तो उसमें भी ईमेल, फिर मेरा मेरा हर एक टीम में एक बच्चा 25,000 रुपये लेता है। अब उसको क्या बोलूँ मैं, 1 रुपए का रिप्लाई कर, छोड़ो भाई। मतलब एक बंदा सबसे कम कम समय, आजकल 10-20 हज़ार में कोई काम ही नहीं करता है, बहुत महंगा हो चुका है।
सर अंकुश सर एक बात
सुन रहा हूँ।
सर एक्चुअली मैं लुफ्थांसा एयरलाइंस में मैं काम करता था इन द एमआरओ डिपार्टमेंट सप्लाई चेन। सो वहाँ पे मैं 2.5 इयर्स का वहाँ पे एक्सपीरियंस है। तो उसके बाद मैनेजर के साथ थोड़ा झगड़ा हुआ तो ले ऑफ हो गया, मतलब तो हम लोग के टीम में जितने सारे थे तो अभी मतलब बिकॉज आई डोंट हैव एक्सपीरियंस इन मतलब Oracle DBA, तो हाउ टू लाइक रिवैम्प लाइक CV एंड आल्सो लाइक इन द PF
नहीं वो
अकाउंट।
सारा हम लोग करेंगे, हम लोग अभी मैं ये जो प्रोसेस होता है ना ये मैं लास्ट में लेता हूँ। ओके, लास्ट में 1 वीक हम लोग यही काम करते हैं, सबका मतलब मैं सुनता हूँ कि किसके करियर में क्या प्रॉब्लम है, किसका क्या इशू है, वो लास्ट में हम लोग पूरा डिस्कस करते, फिर अपन करेंगे वो सब कुछ। ओके
ओके
ठीक है, चलो गाइस 9:30 बज चुके हैं। ओके, मिलते हैं हम
थैंक यू
लोग।
सो मच।
आप लोगों की वजह से अगर मेरा एक आधा इंग्लिश वाला कैंसिल हुआ तो पैसे आपको देना पड़ेगा।
वीडियो वीडियो डिलीट करवा दो ना सर।
तुम लोग देखो फिर, ठीक है चलो चलो
फिर हम
बाय।
लोग शिफ्ट हो जाएंगे सर हिंदी वाले में।
ठीक है गाइस, चलो बाय
ठीक है सर,
बाय, हैप्पी दिवाली।
बाय
बाय
एवरीवन, हैप्पी दिवाली।
हैप्पी दिवाली।
हैप्पी दिवाली।
ज्यादा इंटरेक्शन था आज।
हाँ
डेफिनेटली।
चलो बाय।
ऐसा भी होना चाहिए लेकिन ना, वीक में 1-2 बार।
होगा होगा होगा, ऐसा होगा।
होगा।
पहले पूरा पैसा आने दो सबका, उसके बाद में लेता हूँ मैं। ठीक है चलो।
ये तो अपने घर वालों से ही मांगना है सर अभी घर जाके।
आपको अगले साल हैप्पी दिवाली में।
50,000 का लैपटॉप सर ने जब से बोला मुझे मेरी नींद ही चली गई। लैपटॉप चाहिए। देखते हैं पापा को बोलता हूँ।
चलो बढ़िया है, चलो ठीक है बाय।